Hello everyone. My name is Latifa Al-Kitwi, a master's student in Human Resource Management at Hamdan bin Mohammed Smart University. In this video, I am excited to share with you my research titled Enhancing Recruitment and Selection at Emirates Airlines Through Technology and AI. This presentation critically evaluates the airline's current R&S practices and outlines strategic, technology-driven improvements. It aims to bridge the gap between traditional HR methods and innovative AI-based recruitment practices in line with UAE's digital vision. Emirates Airline is one of the world's leading international airlines based in Dubai, employing over 105,000 people and operating in more than 130 destinations. Despite its reputation and strong employer brand, the airline still relies heavily on traditional recruitment methods that are slow and outdated. UAE Vision 2031 emphasized innovation, localization, and the use of advanced technologies across industries, including HR. My research explores how Emirates can modernize its recruitment and selection strategies to, to attract diverse talent more effectively and competitively using AI and technology. Emirates is a globally respected organization. However, its outdated processes of hiring challenge its growth. The current recruitment processes at Emirates lacks essential digital tools such as automated CV screening, predictive analytics, and real-time applicant interaction. This results in delayed hiring, inefficient workflows, and a poor candidate experience. Meanwhile, competitors like Singapore Airlines have already adopted AI powered recruitment systems, giving them a clear advantage in attracting and selecting talent. This growing gap threatens Emirates' ability to remain competitive in talent acquisition and employer branding. The project aims to assess the recruitment strategy of Emirates Airlines in order to identify its pain points and recommend evidence based improvements with the help of AI. The scope includes internal analysis of HR and external benchmarking. The key objectives include recognizing internal challenges, benchmarking against global practices, and proposing AI based solutions. The main research question asks how Emirates can enhance recruitment effectiveness and candidate experience through AI. Sub questions explore the specific gaps in current practices and which AI tools are most suitable for implementation in Emirates context. The research questions overall focuses on how the Emirates can adopt modern tools in order to enhance efficiency, fairness, and alignment with national digitalization goals. In this section, I will briefly highlight the key findings from the literature that supports the need for enhancing Emirates Airlines recruitment processes through technology and AI. In the literature, AI is widely seen as a tool that enhances recruitment by automating repetitive tasks like screening resumes and answering candidate questions through chatbots. This increases both speed and fairness in the hiring processes. For Emirates Airlines, studies shows that digital hiring tools were introduced during the pandemic, but the implementation lacked consistency and strategy. This highlights a need for more structured and scalable use of AI in the recruitment system. Additionally, research emphasized that for AI to be effective in HR, it must be aligned with clear strategic goals and supported by the right skills and mindset across the organization. Finally, there is a noticeable lack of research focused on AI use in Middle Eastern airlines, which makes this topic relevant and adds value by addressing a real world gap. My research adopts a qualitative case study approach, relying on secondary data including HR reports, industry publications, and academic research. The research follows a deductive logic, applying existing theories and models to the real world case of Emirates Airlines. Philosophically, it's based on positivism, focusing on observable data and factual analysis and publicly available HR data. The deductive method will help the researcher to apply the recruitment theories in the context of the Emirates Airlines. Benchmarking will help in gathering knowledge regarding the top airlines that use AI so that the comparative analysis could be done in an appropriate manner to identify best fit solutions, enabling a practical application of theory to Emirates real world challenge. The structured qualitative approach will help in ensuring relevant analysis without breaching the confidentiality or ethics. The findings highlight three recurring issues: recruitment delays due to manual processes, limited technology use, and weak candidate engagement impacts employer branding. These problems are consistently reflected in both industry reports and academic literature. Emirates' current system does not meet the expectations of modern candidates or support efficient hiring for a large scale operation. AI enabled systems could solve these issues by automating tasks, providing real time updates, and improving overall processes flow and candidate satisfaction. Based on the findings, I recommend adopting several AI based tools to improve recruitment at Emirates Airlines. These include AI CV screening platforms such as HireView and i8fold, which enhance candidate job matching. Predictive analytics can help identify high potential candidates, while NLP powered chatbots like Paradox Olivia improve engagement. Gamified assessments and AI assisted video interviews can make the process more interactive, standardized, and fair. Together, these technologies can streamline hiring and boost employer branding. Here I am presenting a strategic roadmap to enhance Emirates Airlines recruitment and selection processes. According to academic and theoretical references and also industry and practice based sources, using a phased approach, modern technologies, and data driven methods, all within a total budget of 22,020 dirham. The key goals is to improve hiring efficiency and candidate experience, to integrate AI and digital tools into recruitment, and to align HR practices with Emirates' growth strategy. The roadmap is structured over six key phases. The first one is planning and stakeholder engagement through internal setup and alignment. The second is research and benchmarking that analyze gaps and learn from top competitors. The third is AI and digital integration that introduce automation and smart tools. The fourth is processes redesign and branding that enhance the candidate journey and employer image. The fifth is the training and change management that by upskilling HR staff and guiding change. And finally, the monitoring and evaluation to track results and refine the processes. The table contrasts the current approach of Emirates Airlines with the AI enhanced alternatives. AI will help in bringing personalization, insight, and speed. The automatic feedback, real time interaction, as well as smart KPIs will help the organization towards better hiring processes. Emirates can start with high volume roles to pilot the solution, along with managing the cost and high ROI. Currently, Emirates relies on manual shortlisting, delayed communications, and traditional interviews. In contrast, Global competitors use AI for CV filtering, chatbot communication, and automated assessment, speeding up hiring while improving accuracy. This comparison reveals a technological gap that affects Emirates' ability to compete for top talent globally. AI tools bring clear advantages, faster processes, unbiased evaluations, improved candidate experience, and better hiring outcomes. To maintain its competitive edge, Emirates must shift from a reactive manual system to a proactive AI enabled approach. In conclusion, Emirates must modernize its recruitment and selection strategy to meet global standards and future workforce expectation. AI can significantly improve recruitment efficiency, fairness, and candidate engagement. Strategic recommendations include piloting AI tools in high volume roles like cabin crew, training HR staff in digital competencies, and integrating an advanced applicant tracking system. This shift aligns with UAE with Emirates Global's position, its operational scale, and the UAE broader digital transformation vision. Adopting these strategies will future-proof its workforce planning and talent acquisition processes. Here are the references that informed my research. Thank you all for your time and attention. I hope this presentation provided useful insights into how Emirates Airlines can leverage AI and technology to transform recruitment and selection.